The third event in the Demolympics is the paintball battle. First one to get to Fakus wins, but she might have brought a defensive mechanism of her own. Now we needed some way to tell each other apart, so I drew a B on Bam, and she drew an M on me.
Bam, here we go! Good luck, you'll need it! 3, 2, 1! Oh, Bam!
You go first!
Come on, come on, oh my God!
Did I get her?
Game on!
Ow! That hurt!
Are you okay?
I'm fine. Why is he out in the open?
I'm hit! On your left! One shot!
You're back! You're back! Oh!
Nobody gets near Gus on my watch.
Oh no!
Perfect.
Where do you go? Don't touch me! Watch out, guys! They're coming! Be careful, guys! Go! Yes!
And as it turns out, the mystery man was none other than Nick DiGiovanni, the internet's favorite chef. And he was gonna judge the winner.
You go.